In a bonanza to 23 lakh central government employees, the Union Cabinet chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday approved the Unified Pension Scheme (UPS), which assures guaranteed pension. Employees opting for UPS would be eligible for an assured pension of 50% of the average basic pay drawn over the last 12 months before the superannuation for a minimum qualifying service of 25 years. There would be no additional burden on employees opting for UPS. The employee's contribution would remain 10%, while the government contribution would go from 14% to 18.5%. The new scheme will be applicable from April 1 next year.
वो वन टाइम ऑप्शन दे सकते हैं कि वो एनपीएस में रहना चाहते हैं या यूपीएस में। मैं आपको कुछ बताऊं, यूपीएस के जो मुख्य 5 बिंदु हैं, एक तो ये कि 50% ऑफ द एवरेज बेसिक पे ड्रॉन ओवर द लास्ट 12 मंथ्स प्रायर टू सुपरएन्युएशन, वो उनको पेंशन के रूप में दी जाएगी। मिनिमम क्वालिफाइंग सर्विस 25 साल होनी है। यदि किसी की 10 साल भी है तो उसको प्रोपोर्शनेटली उस हिसाब से पेंशन मिलेगी। बट जिसने 10 साल की है तो मिनिमम पेंशन करीब 10,000 रुपये मिलेगी।
Under the old pension scheme, retired government employees received 50% of their last drawn salary as monthly pensions. The amount keeps increasing with the hike in dearness allowance rates. Employees contributed 10% of their basic salary, while the government contributed 14% to the national pension scheme. The Unified Pension Scheme, on the other hand, assures pensions to retired employees with a government contribution of 18.5%. Dearness relief under the UPS will be based on the All India Consumer Price Index for industrial workers.
So the difference between the old pension and the new pension scheme was that in the OPS, government employees got a fixed assured amount of pension, which was pegged to their last drawn salary. However, in the new pension scheme, employees contribute to the government, and when they retire, what they get is related to how the market is doing in the pension funds in which the government has invested their money.
UPS, effective from April 1st, 2025, is estimated to put an additional burden of rupees 6,250 crores on the exchequer per year. The announcement came against the backdrop of several non-BJP states deciding to convert to the DA-linked old pension scheme, and employee organizations in some other states raising demands for the same.